Some machines are built to perform, others to endure. But every once in a generation, something arrives that does both. Without compromise. This is the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Pickup. Not an experiment, not a concept, a declaration. Visual. Vehicle slowly revealed in rotating studio shot. Glossy black, silver lower trim, no distractions. The bloodline? Corvette. Born from speed, refined by decades of domination. The shape? A silhouette that refuses to obey tradition. Muscular. Low-slung, but now longer. Taller. Stronger. It's not a contradiction. It's a convergence. The soul of a sports car, in the body of a machine built to move mountains. Visual. Open bonnet, engine detail, digital HUD flickering to life. Beneath the sculpted hood, a 6.2-liter supercharged V8. Over 650 horsepower. A force of nature measured in torque. It launches. It climbs. It commands. 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. Not bad for a truck. Beat. Visual switches to aerial drone shot on winding mountain highway. And while the world watches, wondering what it is, it answers with action. Magnetic suspension adapts on the fly. Drive mode snap from touring to off-road with seamless precision. It doesn't hesitate. It hunts. This isn't a truck with speed. It's speed with a payload. Visual. Interior shot. Leather seats, ambient lighting, digital cluster responding to throttle input. Step inside, and you're met with silence. Not because the machine is quiet, but because it's composed. Black leather, silver trim, touch-responsive controls. Your grip on the wheel isn't just physical. It's personal. This cockpit is made for a driver. Not a passenger. Not a commuter. A driver. Visual. Rear bed, subtly lit. Drone shots circling vehicle at twilight. And when it's time to load up, the bed is ready. Lined. Locked. Capable of hauling everything, from gear to legacy. Because this isn't about utility. It's about versatility. You don't choose between muscle and mileage anymore. You don't pick speed or strength. You don't compromise. You combine. Visual. Parked on a mountain ridge, sun setting, reflections in the bodywork. Some vehicles are made to fit into a category. This one erases them. It's a Corvette, not by body, but by soul. It's a pickup, not just in shape, but in strength. And it's something else entirely. A signal, a shift, a new shape of power. Closing tone, bold, crisp, cinematic. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Pickup, where performance meets purpose, and nothing stays the same.